So weighted averages with percents are pretty decent, right? You take the percent times the category average and then you find your quality points. It's great. Well, not everything is out of percent. Sometimes we have the actual counts. So when you're thinking about that, you've got to kind of take the value of each thing and you multiply by the count of how many there are, right? That's, you know, the value. And you're going to do this value times count, as many as you have, and then you're going to divide by the total count. How many of whatever are you talking about? And you're like, what the H are you talking about? That's cool, that's cool. Check it out. So the most common one of these counts is GPA, right? Your GPA is weighted based on your grades. And you can kind of see at the top, right? An A is 4 points, a B is 3 points, a C is 2 points, a D is 1, and an F is 0. Makes sense, right? So over here, I called this last column quality points. I like quality points. I think it sounds good. Now, credit hours. When you earn a grade of a C in history, a C gives you 2 points. That 2 points is per credit hour. So how many total points did you earn? Well, 3 times 2 is 6. So history earned you 6 points, 2 points for each credit hour. Now, in A and P, you got an A. An A is 4 points per credit hour. So 4 times 4, you earned 16 points in A and P. High five. I could not get an A in A and P. All right, in lab, you got a B. A B is worth 3 points per credit hour. 2 times 3 is 6. And then last but not least, you got an A in IB 101, and A is worth 4 points. 1 times 4, right, because again, per credit hour, you earned 4 points. So you earned a total of 32 quality points. Now, that does not mean that your GPA is 32, because that's our, the value, because here's the value, here's the count, value times the count. Now, when you when you're thinking about this problem, it's your quality points, that's your total value times count. You've got to divide by the total number of, what did you do? Well, you took credit hours, right? How many credit hours did you take? Well, in this case, you took 10 credit hours. Your GPA depends on how many credit hours you take. Earning 32 quality points is going to give you a different GPA whether you took 10 credit hours or 20 credit hours, right? It's very, very different. So your quality points divided by the number of credit hours, which in this case is 10. 32 divided by 10 is a GPA of 3.2, which is pretty solid. All right, let's do another example of this. You might want to try this one on your own. You took math, science, astronomy, and IBT. For different credits, you got a B, C, A, and D. First thing you want to do is check out your points, right? A B is worth 3 points per credit hour. So 3 times 3, you earn 9 points in math. You got a C worth 2 points. 4 times 2, you earned 8 points in science. You got an A in astronomy. So 3 times 4, you earned 12 points. And then you slacked off an IVY and got a D, so you only earned 1 point. So add those up, you earned 30 quality points, and you attempted 11 credit hours. So 30 points divided by 11 credit hours gives you a GPA of 2.73. And that is how your GPA is figured. Now this is for one semester. If you've been in a few semesters, it's the total. So if you attempted 60 credit hours, they figure out all of your quality points for all of your semesters divided by all of your credit hours, and that's how you get your cumulative GPA. And we will do other counts examples in the other videos of weighted averages.